morning, everyone. It is day 3 in the van. We are cooking up some breakfast. I think I'm going to make some eggs and some bacon again. And we are driving today, leaving North Cascades National Park. And we are driving to the Olympic Peninsula. It's about a 6-hour drive. And we're going to drive 3 hours, take a ferry, and then drive another 3 hours. So that'll be super cool to see. And yeah, we're super excited to check out Olympic. We had a great time here at the Cascades, and yeah, excited for another adventure. We are heading out for the day. We have about a 2-hour drive to the Kingston Ferry Terminal, and then it's a 30-minute ferry across. We're bringing the van on the ferry, so we'll see how that goes. And then another couple hours to get to the Rainforest campground, which is where we're staying in Olympic National Park tonight. So it should be a good drive. We're just no makeup day today. And yeah, let's go.
Welcome aboard. Day 3.
Day 3. We just drained our gray water. So yeah, I think we're doing good on water. We've taken 2 showers each so far, done dishes and stuff. Still have enough water, but we might try to fill up some water today just to be safe. Took a quick stop at the gas station for some snacks and coffee, and look at that view. Amazing. Nope, sorry. We have just arrived in the town of Edmonds, and we are, or Kingston. Which one are we in? Edmonds. We're in the town of Edmonds, about to take the ferry to Ferry. Oh, Ferry. Ferry. Okay, sorry. In the town of Edmonds, taking the ferry. We have one at 11:05, and it is 10:30-ish. So we have a little bit of time to get our tickets and everything, and then grab the ferry. It's about a half-hour ride, so we'll see how this works. We're 10 feet or 19 feet long.
Under 22. $20. We have 40 cents here, so.
No. So it was $20 to take the ferry and then $10 to the passenger. So next time I'll just hide in the back on the bed.
Or she can swim it.
Yeah.
Swim it.
I could, right?
Yeah, you can swim it.
I could.
Next time.
So we're waiting for the ferry to come, and I realize we have about like a 20-minute wait. We're just kind of sitting in traffic. I don't know if you can see. And I was just chilling, and I was like, wait, we can just come back here, sit on the bed, put some TV on, and relax. So I'm watching House. So the van is on the ferry, and I think we will leave in a little. We're gonna head up to the passenger deck. So we are crossing the Puget Sound from Kingston to Edmonds, or Edmonds to Kingston. Up on the top deck. Pretty sure we're going over there. 25-minute ride. Riding the Spokane.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't, and I complain.
Make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before disembarking without home. Drivers and passengers, return to your vehicle.
We're now on this floating bridge to get to Port Angeles. Don't know what a floating bridge is. What does that mean? Does it move, maybe? Do you think it moves? We just arrived in Port Angeles, and we are going to find a place to eat for lunch, and then head towards Forks after that. Peanut butter covered burger. Ooh. We just finished lunch and now we're gonna head to Olympic National Park into Hurricane Ridge, check out a few things along the northern coast, and then our campground is along kind of the western part near the Hoh Rainforest, so we'll head there after. We made it up to the top of Hurricane Ridge. We are very high up and it was a little nerve-wracking driving because the cliff drops are very steep and there's not a lot of railings, of course, right? Makes sense. Let me show you our view. We just pulled up to Hurricane Ridge and this is our view.
This time of the year, I can't stop.
We're now going to drive 2 hours to Lake Crescent in the Hoh Rainforest campground. Here we are at Lake Crescent.
I guess I'm just too tired to find it. You say, as we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting.
Oh, we were just driving and we saw a sign for a correction center. You can see this. Like, we're in the middle of nowhere. We have not seen a town for how many miles? 100 hours. There's nothing, and then we just randomly see a sign for jail. Like, it's just so insane and so random, but yeah. So we've officially made it to the town of Forks, Washington, which is where they filmed Twilight. We're staying at the Hoh campground, which is not too far from here. This is the place with the dump station and the water.
Okay, good to know.
For later. Hopefully we can fill there. Oh, how cute. Cute little coffee shop. Cute little town. So yeah, we're about an hour from our campsite and we're gonna head there. This is where we are staying tonight. We are in the Hoh campground, which is in the rainforest. Doesn't really quite look like a rainforest, maybe a little bit. This is our spot for tonight. Got the cabana van here, and we're gonna get some dinner set up.
Get her name. Want your white wine?
No, I'm okay. Tonight for dinner we are having some chicken noodle soup. Couple rolls we got from the grocery store, and then a leftover half a burger. I'm just cooking that on the stove.
Weird spoon.
Some bread and soup, and then we'll have our burger later. Food.
Place to wash over there.
Just took a shower, heading to bed early tonight. Good night.
I'm high, nothing's going to stop. I make